lights on.
Boy, much more aggressive this time for me. Come on now, ladies.
Kind of blowing
May not have
above
been
them.
very good. Huh?
Kind of blowing above them, it looks like.
That is. Well, you can hear them there and there.
Mm-hmm. You sure you want to switch that?
Kind of. I don't think that's really.
I don't really see anything on your...
I do on this one here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of going in there a little bit more. Boy, I've never heard it that loud though. I wonder if we're picking too hot of a day to do this.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like the coolest day we're gonna have all week, so.
Yeah.
I guess I can just check the top first and see how they're doing before I decide to move it up or down. Nothing. Yeah, I was thinking that we should get one of those old luggage stands that you have in hotel rooms.
Mm-hmm.
And that might be a cool portable thing to have. So nothing on this end at all.
Boy, they really need to be filling that out.
Yeah,
Getting close
it's
to...
starting.
There, it's starting there.
Mm-hmm. They filled out more though from when I looked at them last week. I think spraying them with that sugar water helped a lot.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. They're all eating their honey from the smoke, so that's much better. We need to make sure we look for mites too in here and see. There's mites, or not mites, but the hive beetles.
Mm-hmm.
That's a pretty good one.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, that side.
Yep. Need all of them like that.
Yeah. There's no brood up here though.
And I think they're just putting honey up there. The queen stays in the bottom.
Okay.
And they're starting on that one.
On that side.
Yeah, that looks good.
I'm drawing it out more.
I think if we keep that full, maybe that sugar water, maybe they'll go ahead and
Yeah,
fill
all
it
the
up.
rest of them are empty in the middle. I don't know, like Val had said that I should put one up from the bottom. A couple up from the bottom to full the other workers up here, I guess.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to help? Like, you shut this off and...
I might just pull,
I'm shutting this off for a minute.
I might just pull two from the bottom.